Hi, this is Dirk from V&V Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 2018 Ford Edge. Nice vehicle, got a few rock chips on it. But it came from Arizona, so no rust issues. Nice and straight, no big dents or anything. One key, does got adaptive cruise control, navigation, heated and cooled seats. 104,933 is the mileage. Got the sunroof in it, memory seats, rear heated seats. So just a nice Ford Edge. Power rear hatch, backup camera, backup sensors. Of course, with a Sport, you get the bigger motor. So. But nice straight van, got a great shine to it. Also comes with our 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty, which covers drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical. Best coverage you're gonna find. So 605-695-7391 or our office number 605-692-7010.